Hi guys, welcome to Share Vision channel. Today we are going to discussion about three stocks. Along with that, we will discussion about overview of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. So these three stocks, I am finding out big buy signal, so that I am selecting for analysis. So let's watch it till the end. Then only you can get the idea about these stocks. Okay, let's go directly to the video now. Before that, if you want to follow our channel, please subscribe and watch it. And we have a Telegram group also. So if you want to join our Telegram group, I will give the link in description box. Please add it to your. You can join it and follow our Facebook, Twitter, and website. And if you want to open the Upstock account, you can open it this link. I will give the description box. Okay, let's go directly to the video now. So today I'm taking a first Nifty. Just we can see our overview level of Monday. What will happen? So the Nifty 50 here see I can able to find out here bullish Arami. This is called bullish Arami candlesticks. So it has been formed already. So Friday it has been given some buying pressure. So my view is it will be definitely go to upward direction. So it may a chance to come go up to 15,000. It will open above this level. You can go for buy 15,000. This 15,871 above. You can if open above 15,871, you can go for buy. Otherwise wait for half an hour, then we can identify the trend of these signals. So my prediction is it will go upward direction, so go for buy. It will definitely go up to 15,000 on 930 up to level. So in Monday it will go up to 15,940 or 930. So in this week it will definitely touch up to 15,000 16,000 above the 16,000 level. So I'm sure that. So let's go now watch it about Bank Nifty. See guys, Bank Nifty also having a some buying pressure. So it has been moving going to buy signal. So definitely it will touch next week 35,832. So this is my prediction. In your in your view, you can analyze along with that, then decide whether go for buy or not. But I'm sure that it will go for buy. So Monday it will go open up to above this level. Definitely go for buy 35,484. So up to go 35,484. So definitely you can use it this opportunity for buying signal. And now go to stocks. So first stock is our National Aluminium. See guys, National Aluminium having a buying pressure. So I have been identified here. See breakout given at this point of level. So closing at 73.45 on Friday, last Friday. So Monday it will be definitely go to 77.15. So our swing trading, I will suggest for the stock for swing trading. You can if you want to buy the stock swing trading, it will touch 77.15 first target, and second target is 80. Third target is 83.60. So you can use for swing trading or short term. I think this stock will be definitely go to 80 or 83. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. Next stock is Bharat Electronics. It's a government sector company. Definitely it will be useful for long term traders. So I'm selecting this stock for buying opportunity. So good buying opportunity is finding here. So it's closed at 175 on last Friday. So now it will definitely go for buy signal. So above 175 or 176 you can buy. It will definitely go to 192. So first target is 192, and this is a government sector company, and it is a debt free also. So you can go for long also. If you want to buy this for a long trade, you can fix your target at 208. So that is my view. You can check your analysis also along with that, then you can get the good idea. Now we will discuss about Vodafone Idea. See guys, Vodafone Idea definitely, I think it will take a retracement. So correct entry point is 10.30. So if it will come to 10.30, then you can buy for short term or swing trading. Definitely it will go up to 11.40. So first target is 10.90 and second target is 11.40. So I think it will entry point is correct entry point is 10.30. Until that you have wait, because it will track like this way it will movement go. So that time draw these signals. So it will take retracement like this, like retracement, then it will go upward direction, but definitely go to upward direction, there is no issue. So 10.30 is entry point. You can go for buy this stock. If you want to short term, it will wait up to 12.05, but it will take some time, at least 3 months or 4 months. So you can utilize this stock for buying opportunity. I think these three stocks will be added to your portfolio, and uh, take your analysis along with that. My view of analysis I already told, so you can use it. I think this video will be very much useful. uh, Please support and subscribe to me my channel, and if you really like this video, press the like button and support to me guys. I hope you understand the video, and if you anything else, you can post your comment in and description comment box. I will definitely reply to you. Thanks for watching. Good luck. We will see about next video. In this kind of video will day-to-day basis I will be uploading it. Thanks for watching. Thank you a lot.